Hello, and welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird of the day is the northern shoveler, a dabbling duck with a noticeably large bill. This bird is widespread across North America, but it's definitely not the most easy to find. I decided to drive south to the city of Pueblo. We stopped at the city park and spotted a flock of Canada geese, as well as some of the smaller cackling geese. We saw hooded mergansers, pie-billed grebes, mallards, both domestic and wild. We saw a squirrel, and today's bonus bird, the wood duck. Box-shaped ducks, famous for their good looks and the male's sick green hairdo. With no shovelers at the city park, we drove to the gravel pit. The gravel pit is quite large, so Molly was blasting with the spotting scope. There are several species of bird on the water. Somebody count all of them. Who's gonna count all these ducks? We found American widgeon, ringneck ducks, redheads, pie-billed grebes, bufflehead, coots, and a lifer, common goldeneye. A distant killdeer flew by, and I spotted a Buick's wren. I watched this ringbill gull try to eat a very dry piece of something. And look, he takes a little sip as if that's gonna wash it down. Oh, another one. A group of Canada geese flew over. Somebody count them! Somebody count. And floating out of the shallows, with its nose in the mud, the northern shoveler revealed itself. This bird uses its oversized bill to stir up muck in order to find seeds, crustaceans, and aquatic invertebrates.